It's time for fun with screencasting, and today I'm going to do a video on how to make solution videos for homeworks, quizzes, reviews, or exams. So you basically need three things. You need a problem set. Here I'm going to use a review for an exam. You'll need your virtual whiteboard to write on, and so here I'm using Smart Notebook 11, and then you'll also need the snipping tool to move the problems from your problem set onto the virtual whiteboard. So let's take a look to see how this works. So I simply open up my problem set, and I take this snipping tool, and I simply snip the problems that I want to do, and then I paste them onto my virtual whiteboard here. Sometimes they come in a little bigger than I want them to, so I make them a little bit smaller. And then I add another page, and I do the same thing again. But this time I use the second problem. And I cut that problem and paste it onto my virtual whiteboard. And once I do this for all the problems, I can lecture right on top of it. So when I'm all done, I have a nice outline that I can lecture on. So here I can lecture on 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. Sometimes I'll even separate these a little bit more to give myself a little bit more space to work. The end product looks like this. So this is the solutions video for the review for exam 2 on finding derivatives. So basically, our exam will be over. I give you a formula, and you have to find the derivative. And so in number 1, we have a bunch of different formulas here, and you have to find the derivative. So let's go through these. And so for A, what do we have? So let's copy down this function. So f of x is equal to, and we have 2x cubed. What you want to notice here is that this is a similar lecture that I would give in a class if I was going to review these problems with the students. More examples of these solution videos can be found on our YouTube page at www.youtube.com/user/drprice765. You can simply click on any playlist and you'll find examples of these videos.